This has been a delayed unboxing and kind of a brief setup of the Google Chromecast. Had this now for, oh my gosh, a long time. It's been some time, and I've been meaning to open this up and show you guys. So I decided before a year turns into 2 years, until this thing is kind of maybe no longer sold, that I open it up and hook it up and see how it works. So first off, box, pretty solid little box, a little Apple-ish. You know, a lot of people compare things to Apple as far as packaging goes. So packaging is very very sturdy little box, pretty solid. Got some little icons up there showing you kind of what this guy would do here. Alright, just so basic. I had already busted the seal, so there's no need for you to wait for me to do that. So slice, there you go. Open her on up. And here is the packaging. Kind of cool with the blue. Saw a little box. Opens on up like so. Shows you how to get started. You got the actual product right there. Little tray here. Comes with a USB power little brick there. A HDMI extender, so I guess if you're hooking it up to your TV or whatever, you could bend it if your TV is close against the wall, I guess. Charger for the actual Chromecast, I believe. That over there. And then a little tiny product information. And then maybe a little setup. Yeah. So that is what is in the box. Nothing under there, just spacer there. Chromecast itself comes in this neat little tray. Got some branding and markings on the back side. HDMI. There's that power. So I guess it needs an external power. It's not just plug and go. You have to power it, I assume. Little LED light indicator right here. And let's go and hook this guy up. Alright, pardon the darkness in here. So I have plugged in the little USB. Now I'm going to plug in the USB, and on my TV I have a really cool little spot on the back. I don't know if you can see it going in right here. It just flashed white and now it's red. Same spot right next to my USB. I'm gonna plug in the Chromecast. And now it is white again. I have already downloaded the app and tested this out. So now I'm just going to select the appropriate input. And I believe side. There we are, with the time in the bottom right. If it will focus. There you go. I had already did the step-by-step instructions using the app, so I have labeled it master bedroom, and I already kind of configured the setup here, and it's as easy as using, let's get a tablet real quick. So I had downloaded, I was going to use my tablet or my phone, but I'm going to use my MacBook here to try to do this. Now I downloaded the app from google.com/Chromecast/setup. Downloaded the app, installed it into my appropriate applications folder, and now I'm going through this little setup. So let's get cast extension. See how easy this is. Let's see. This is my first time doing it. The TV just did something. I don't know. Let's go ahead and hit add. Perfect. So it's just an extension that you had to download. And now it actually added a little tiny cast icon. Alright, I get it. It's not going to want to close. Okay. So now, let me get rid of all this. Let's see how it works. Let's try hitting cast. Okay. Now it lets you select the appropriate Chromecast. I only have ones, and I named it Master Bedroom. That's the only place that I installed it there. Oh, and there you go. And I don't see a cursor on the screen. As you can see, there's a cursor right there. But on the screen, there is no cursor. So, let's just try hitting play. You could cast, looks like any web page, any video. Pretty much, you're just mirroring wirelessly your browser. Not the desktop, of course, but just the browser, and it's just doing this here. Seems to be, it's trying to connect. Seems to just be the full screen. It just seems to have a little bit of trouble with. Hit play. And there's not much of a delay. I would say maybe half a second at most. So, yep. If I could show you, you could see the comparison. Laptop on the right and TV on the it's kind of hard to see. It's a little dark. Yeah, it's about a second or so delay. So, not too bad. So that's just kind of a little sample of it playing on my TV. Installation was really simple on my phone. It was really simple on my Mac. I'm sure it's just as simple on a Windows PC as well. And that's it. I'm going to play with this for a little bit and see how I end up liking it, if I end up using it at all. Seems like it works for what it's supposed to be. For 35 bucks, it seems to be doing its job. So, alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and peace.